simple formula will help you make cool cash online every single month. And all you have to do is just sell t-shirt designs. You don't have to own the t-shirts, you don't have to be a graphic designer. You're going to do everything for free without paying a penny to someone, and you're going to still make profits. By the screenshots on your screen now, you can see that you can make up to $18 per t-shirt sale, even though you don't own the t-shirt in any way. So I'm going to walk you through my screen and then walk you through a step-by-step process of how you can get the t-shirts designs and how you can connect it to your store, sell it, and then make profits from the t-shirt. This is a strategy that if you use and you're able to sell between 10 to 15 t-shirts every single month, you can be making between $200 to $500 for yourself. This is a very popular strategy that people are using, and I know you can also tap into this particular opportunity. Now let's get on my screen. Let me show you something here. On this platform called Printify, you see Printify is a platform that allows you to be able to design shirts or design t-shirts, add any design of your choice, customize it to your liking, and then when you are done, you can be able to sell these t-shirt designs on the various store. We're going to make use of Etsy. We're going to also make use of Printify. And if you want, you can make use of Shopify or even connect your own custom shop to Printify. Now, this is how it works. This platform is 100% free. Of course, there are paid options, but the method I'm teaching you is 100% free. You don't have to pay anything to sign up on here. You're going to get more than 800 high-quality products that are shirts, and then you can actually have access to manufacturers or printing companies on the platform. So what you do is you choose a t-shirt of your choice, design it to your liking, and then you put on your store. Anytime there is an order, the manufacturers or the printers will get the alert for the orders. They will process the order, deliver it, and then you get your commission. So imagine you have a t-shirt that you are designing on the platform, and maybe the cost of processing everything is $30. You can choose to add extra $30 to that t-shirt and then sell. If someone orders 100 pieces, you can imagine how much money you will make. So here, the first thing to consider is to sign up for a free account, okay? So we're going to have to hit on sign up for a free account. I'm going to create a new account for the purpose of this video, all right? So let me go to, I don't want to sign up with my own account, okay? So let me go here and then use a new email like this particular $1,000 wholesale, all right? And then the password, I'm going to do this, okay? Then I'm not a robot, all right? Then sign up. I want to be able to go through all of this and then show you how the whole sign up process actually works. So you're going to see a pop-up like this. Then you can choose, maybe I'm a social influencer, okay? I want to start my first online business. Okay, the next thing you can look through, maybe I need help choosing products to sell. Okay, good. Then how did you find about us? You can choose anything, maybe Google search, right? So you can order a raw sample where they will deliver to you for you to see how it works, to believe that yes, this really works. Or you can connect to your existing store if you have a store already, whether an e-commerce website or a Shopify platform or whatever. Then you can start designing your own product right now. That is what I want to talk about. So just hit on start designing. Then you can be able to explore the various types of products they have. So they have this bag here. You can add your own design to the bag and then you can sell it. Okay. You can see this one. You can add your own design, All these products are products you can add your own design. So if you want to do designs for women, you can choose this one, for example. Anyone you choose, you can just design. So let's say I want to design something, okay, for this bag. I just have to open the bag, okay, and see the various options, okay, various images about the bag, all right. When I come down here, okay, I can just start designing. By clicking on start designing, I can start designing this particular bag. There are a lot of other bags here. So imagine designing this to suit the liking of someone else. They might want to buy this product and you will make money. Okay, so when I come here, start designing, it's going to open the designing interface for me to be able to add my own designs to the bag. So we have the bottom, the top, the left side, and a whole lot of other things. I'm going to go back and then choose a shirt. That should be easier and simpler for us to get through. All right, let me go back again. I want to choose a shirt for it to be easier for us to understand the whole process. So I'm going to choose this particular shirt here, okay, and then come to start designing and design this shirt. All right, so let me hit on start designing. Okay, the shirt is here. All right, so you can add any custom text. Maybe you want this shirt to be used for something. It could be anything. Maybe for birthdays, you want to make it a shirt for maybe an artist or something. Just choose the custom text here and then enter any text you want to put in there. So maybe I want to use this text for something, just anything. I can just write that thing over there, like be my wife. Okay, I can customize it. I can even do it in different colors, okay, and all of that. And they have also the product variants, okay. So this particular shirt can come in sizes, in colors, and a whole lot of other things, all right, with the cost associated. So you're going to see the one with the least cost, so you can be able to add more profit to it. If you look at the white one, for example, you say it's $8.95 to $12. That is a cost. And there are 21 providers, which means 21 companies that actually fulfill the orders. So if I design this t-shirt, there are 21 providers who are willing to print this t-shirt and deliver it for me. I don't have to touch the delivery, okay? So I can design it any way I want, whether it's black. I just put my Be My Wife over there, change the color of my text, make it white. Okay, so Be My Wife is there. It looks nice according to me. All right, I can design it any way I want. I can add emoji. I can maybe align it, choose different font style and all that. So the whole thing is, after this design has been completed, you see the cost here. That is it. You can see the cost. Okay, you just save the product. Okay, this is just a sample, but in your own, you can take your time and design the product the way you want. Okay, you save the product, and then you see from here. Here is where the money is. The small size, okay, comes at this price here. So the profit you are making for every sale is 40%, but you can choose to amend the profit to maybe 50%. All right, or even if you think your design looks too good, you can make it 100%. Okay, in that order. If you want to make more profit, it means you should be willing to commit more time to optimize the design of the t-shirt for it to look good. All right, so once you've done all of these, you've done it, you connect your store, and then you can go ahead and sell. So when it comes to connecting of your store, okay, the store is a platform where people are going to buy the product directly. Okay, so you can just click here, connect, and the most recommended platform to me is Etsy. The reason why I want you to sell this t-shirt design on Etsy is because Etsy is a very big platform, and Etsy is well known for clothing. Okay, a lot of people buy stuff on Etsy. So these are all t-shirt designs. People can come, click on this product, add to cart, check out, and then they will pay for it. The moment they buy, you are getting your profit. So this is the strategy. Take your time, design like 10 or 15 products or t-shirts. Come to Etsy, create an account, connect your store to Printify. Make sure you are selling all the 10 products on Etsy. You can drive traffic if you want, but naturally, Etsy also promotes your product. So the more orders you are getting, the more profit you are making from Printify. You can also make use of the affiliate system with Printify because you know here we do a lot of affiliate marketing. So just create an account on Etsy and then come here and connect by clicking Etsy. So when you click on Etsy, you just click connect and then you sign into the Etsy account and Printify connect with Etsy. So Printify will be used to design your t-shirt and then Etsy will be used to sell the t-shirt. As simple as that. Let me know if you have questions about this whole process. This is a model that really works. You know, there is no BS on this particular channel. I'll be leaving the links to Printify and the links to Etsy for you to be able to sign up, merge the two, create designs of t-shirts, sell them on Etsy, and make some cool profits. Put it in mind that if you're able to make 100 sales of t-shirts on Etsy, it could be from a single order. And if you make that 100 sales, then your profit margin is even $20. That will be like some $2,000 just with this method. So try it, let me know the results you get. You can leave them in the comments. Any feedback you have about this particular video, leave them in the comments. I'll be more than happy to answer every bit of them for you. Of course, I'm going to leave videos on the screen for you to be able to watch them. I will see you in the next one.